Hi, I'm Benjamin from Airtame, and in this video I'll show you how you can share a doc cam to an Airtame screen. Now, a document camera, or doc cam for short, is also known as a visualizer, and it allows educators and other presenters to share physical media like a piece of paper or a physical book up on a display. More technically, it is simply a camera pointing down at a tabletop where you can place a piece of paper or a book that you want to share with someone up on a big screen. So let me show you how it works with Airtame. Now, as you can see in my setup, I have an Airtame screen ready to go. I also have my personal laptop on the left side, and this laptop is then connected to my doc cam using a traditional USB cable. So the first thing we need to do is actually focus a bit more on the laptop itself and actually show the video output of my doc cam on the laptop. Now, you may have an application to do this, but if you don't, you can simply use the camera application built into your laptop. Of course, it looks slightly different depending on what operating system you're using, but in my case, I'm using Windows, and I'm simply going to open up the search menu, type in camera, and open the camera application right here. This will then open the application and show a video feed of one of the cameras. Now, keep in mind that most laptops have a built-in web camera, so your camera application might be showing that video feed instead of the doc cam. If that is the case, simply look for some kind of button or menu to change what device you're showing. For the Windows application, it is this icon in the upper right that allows me to cycle through what camera to actually look at. When I'm seeing the right video output, in this case my document camera, I know that I've set everything up correctly and I'm good to go. All I need to do now is actually screen share this window to my Airtame screen. In order to do that, I'm going to open up a Chrome browser and head to airtame.com/go and then enter in my pairing code. Once I've done so, I'm going to share my screen, and I now need to select what I want to share. Now, I could choose to share my entire screen and then set my entire laptop to then show only the camera, but I also have the option of selecting a specific window. So I'll do that. I'll select window, select my camera application, and then if we head back to my TV here, when I click share, you'll see that it's going to share my camera application window to the big screen, which is great. So now I can point out stuff on my physical piece of paper or book or whatever I'm showcasing off on my camera. But there is another caveat here. I can actually go back in to my laptop and open up a different application or window and do something completely different on my laptop while the camera is still working. So, for example, I could open up a different web page and start scrolling around, or find notes that might be relevant for me to see, but not necessarily the people who need to see this piece of paper. So this way you can actually easily screen share your camera application to an Airtame screen while doing other stuff on your laptop at the same time. So this has been a quick demo on how to screen share your doc cam to an Airtame screen. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.